In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the calendar view within ClickUp to plan your tasks, track due dates, and build a clear schedule for your projects. ClickUp's calendar feature is a fantastic way to visualize your workflow and ensure you're always on top of your deadlines, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or tasks. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Step 1. Log in to ClickUp. Okay, let's begin with the basics. First, you need to be logged into your ClickUp account. Open the ClickUp application. You can do this via your desktop, your web browser, or through the ClickUp mobile app. Once you've launched the app, you'll be prompted to sign in using your email address and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials, as this is the key to accessing all of ClickUp's powerful features. Then navigate to the workspace that contains the tasks you want to manage. This could be a personal workspace or a team workspace, depending on how you're using ClickUp. Step 2. Open a space, folder, or list. Now that you're in your workspace, it's time to select the specific area where your tasks reside. Within ClickUp, you can organize your work using spaces, folders, and lists. You'll want to choose the space, folder, or list that holds the tasks you're looking to view in the calendar. Once you've selected your space, folder, or list, ClickUp will automatically load all the tasks associated with that area. Give it a moment, it might take a brief second to populate the list with all of your tasks. This is the foundation for visualizing your schedule, so selecting the right area is crucial. Remember, organization is key to efficient project management. Step 3. Open the calendar view. Alright, with all your tasks loaded, it's time to see them on the calendar. Look for a button or tab labeled Calendar at the top of the ClickUp interface. Click this button, it's typically found within the View tabs. This will switch you to the calendar view, which displays all your tasks associated with the selected space, folder, or list. You'll now see a visual representation of your tasks plotted against a calendar timeline. You can easily see which tasks are due on specific dates and how your workload aligns with the overall schedule. Feel free to explore the different views. You'll likely find day, week, and month views to be really useful. Switch between day, week, or month views if available. The calendar view offers flexibility. You can switch between different views to get a better sense of your workload over different timescales. The day view shows you everything due on a specific day. The week view groups tasks by days of the week, and the month view provides a broader overview of your schedule. Experiment with these views to determine which one best suits your needs and helps you stay organized. For example, the week view might be ideal for weekly project planning, while the day view could be perfect for managing your daily to-do list. Step 4. Customize your calendar view. ClickUp's calendar view is quite customizable. You can add filters to display only tasks related to specific projects, assignees, or priorities. This allows you to narrow down your focus and prioritize the most important tasks. You can also adjust the date range displayed in the calendar to focus on a specific period. This is particularly useful if you're tracking deadlines for a particular campaign or project. Take advantage of these customization options to tailor the calendar view to your exact preferences. Step 5. Add new tasks to the calendar. Now that you're in calendar view, you can add new tasks directly to the timeline. Click the Add Task button, which is typically located near the top of the screen. Enter the task name, description, due date, and any other relevant details. ClickUp will automatically add the task to the calendar, ensuring it's visible in your schedule. Don't forget to assign the task to a team member if applicable, and set a priority level to help you manage your workload effectively. Adding tasks directly to the calendar keeps everything synchronized and provides a clear visual representation of your commitments. Step 6. Manage task details from the calendar. You can easily manage the details of individual tasks directly from the calendar view. Simply click on a task within the calendar to expand it and access its full details. From here, you can edit the task name, description, due date, assignee, priority, and other relevant information. This streamlines the process of updating your tasks and ensures that all the information is consistent across ClickUp. Using the calendar as your primary task management tool allows for efficient updates from one central location. Okay, let's recap. We've just learned how to log in to ClickUp, navigate to your workspace, and open a space, folder, or list. Then we switched to the calendar view to visualize your tasks, and we learned how to customize the view and add new tasks to the timeline. You now have a powerful tool for planning your work and managing your schedule effectively. Remember, using the calendar view to plan your tasks will help you meet deadlines and stay organized. To continue to build your ClickUp skills, explore the different customization options and experiment with the various views to find what works best for you. Now, to help you remember these steps, it's a good idea to save this video to your favorites or revisit it whenever you need a reminder. Thanks for watching.